Hello friends, welcome to my channel Arya and Harika. Today I am going to show how to prepare crispy chicken pakoda. Just follow the steps I do, then you will get perfect chicken pakoda. Thoroughly wash the chicken and add it to a bowl. Here I took 250 grams of chicken with bone. Add 1 spoon of crystal salt and water. We are going to soak this chicken for 1 hour. By doing this step, our chicken will become very soft. Definitely try this tip when you are making chicken next time. After 1 hour, drain off the water and add it to a bowl. Now add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of besan flour or gram flour. Now let's add the spices. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Add this according to your spiciness. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon chicken masala powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, few curry leaves and finely chopped coriander. Now slowly mix the ingredients with chicken so that all ingredients should perfectly mix with the chicken. By mixing well, our chicken will become very flavorful. Now add 1 spoon of lemon juice and 1 spoon of curd and mix everything well. At this point, check the salt and adjust accordingly. Add a pinch of food color at this stage. This is purely optional. If you don't have, skip it. Once again, mix everything well. The chicken mixture should be thick like this. Then only the pakoda will be crispy. Our chicken mixture is ready. Close it with a lid and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours. If you marinate longer, the chicken will be more flavorful. Now heat the oil for deep frying. Oil should not be too much hot. Put a small piece and check. If the bubbles are coming, then oil is correct. Now carefully add the chicken pieces slowly one by one and turn the flame to medium. Let the chicken pieces fry for 2 to 3 minutes, then we need to flip them. Now slowly flip the chicken pieces to the other side and cook them. Keep stirring in between and fry the pieces until they turn golden color. It will take up to 10 minutes for the chicken pieces to get fried. Now the chicken pieces are fried. Let's take them out onto the tissue paper. Now to the same oil, add few curry leaves and just fry for 30 seconds. They will get easily fried. Just take them out. Garnish them on our chicken pakoda and serve hot. That's all. Our crispy chicken pakoda is ready. It will be very crispy outside and it will be very juicy inside as we soaked them in salt water and marinated for more time. See, the chicken pieces without bone also are very soft. Definitely try this recipe. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share my videos. Thanks for watching.